warm welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make this delicious coconut cookies. Very simple but tasty. Before we go on, please like and share this video. Subscribe if you have not yet done so, and click on the bell icon. So I have my bowl here. The margarine is 250 gram. I'm going to use half of it, half of the 250 gram. I will leave all the ingredients in the comment section or the um description side. And so I added my powdered sugar, so just a granulated sugar, then you will grind it into powdered form. I'm going to make use of 2 cups of flour, whole wheat flour. This is non-dairy milk powder. I'm going to add it, and then I'll be adding the flour little by little. I will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then nutmeg 1 tablespoon, and then salt half a teaspoon. This is my grated coconut, so I'll also add a bit to it, and I'm going to mix this with my hand. So please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. If not, I'll be uploading videos and you will not know. And also do well to leave a comment, even if it's an emoji. That is so okay. This is blended coconut, so I blended some of the coconut and I added a bit to it. So I'll mix everything together very well. Okay. So this is my dough. At the end of the day, I'll bring out my chopping board, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to place my parchment paper on it. I'll take some of the dough, place it on the parchment paper, and place another parchment paper also on it. Then I'm going to roll this with my rolling pin. Yes, what I did was I rolled this very flat. That was actually the idea, was to roll it very flat, but later I realized that it was too flat for me. Okay, so this is it, and so this is the width I went for, you see. And then the upper part is not looking smooth, so I decided to sprinkle a little bit of flour on it and then roll it again. Now I'm going to bring out my ruler and also my pizza cutter, and I'm going to shape this. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Do well to share. And so this my mixture, I realized that it was too soft because of the quantity of the margarine. And so, but it's okay, you can still leave it like that, but I wanted the dough a little bit firm. Okay. So after this, the next thing that I did was the rest of the dough, I added extra half cup of the flour to it. Okay. And so I'll bring out, after cutting it to the shape that I want, I'll bring out my baking tray, then place it in it. Yes, arrange it very well, and I'm going to roll the rest of the dough. So this is it. I added half to it. I'm going to take some of the dough and then, just as you see in the video, roll it. But this time around, I did not roll it very flat because the first one was too flat, and so this time around I didn't make it very flat like the first one. Yes, so just the same. So you can see this one is a bit firm as compared to, so in all I made use of 2.5 cup of flour. Okay, and so you see the width compared to the first one. Then I rolled the rest and then used my cookie cutters to cut them into these different kinds of shapes. So you see. Okay, and so guys, this is it. I'm going to bake this in my oven, very low gas oven, and I baked it for 10 to 15 minutes. Unfortunately, the ones that I rolled very flat nearly got burnt, so I took those ones out. So this is it. Cookies, very simple and tasty. You need to give it a try and you're going to love it. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the comment section or the description side so that you can watch and try at home. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.